life I thought was broken, and in this moment I know I've been chosen to keep you in the light. You call to me, even the softest words, they run right through me. Deep inside I feel my soul renewing. You brought me back to life. With every waking breath I hold your heart. Beyond my final days we'll never part. Through every open door, in times of great unknown, this world is always yours. And you are always home. I'm still learning to do the best I can while time is turning. And in your eyes I see new life emerging. A flower in the sun. As you grow older, may your path be full of love and wonder. Don't let darkness ever pull you under. You were born to run. With every waking breath I'll hold your heart. Beyond my final days we'll never part. Through every open door, in times of great unknown, this world is always yours. And you are always home. You are always home. Change never finds me easy. I'm often lost without a style. Life in every turning season always brings a sorrow to my heart. Where have all the good days gone? I can't remember the last time I was strong. I wanna know peace, I wanna know silence, I wanna know love, and I wanna provide it. I wanna live free, and if I ever find it, I'm gonna have peace. Been hiding from my shadow, too afraid of what's behind the sun. She's the only secret I've been keeping. She never leaves my side, but I still run. Where have all the good days gone? time I've been so lost.